Good morning. 11:27 still counts. I've been on my walk. I don't know how far I went. I did not check. But it was to the post office to, trade things, to the pharmacy to get things, and then I booted around, but not much extra. At the post office, I chatted with Eamon and Dennis. And they said, "Hey, I thought you were gone." I said, "No, I leave on Sunday." And they said, "Oh, I see." They thought I was already gone for the week. So we chatted about, the same thing, going to Quebec and everything. And then off I went. Then I went to the post, to the pharmacy, and then headed back home. And then I ran into Dennis again at one of my neighbors, Deb, who lives across the street, across the vacant lot. And the three of us chatted. And then I went home. That's it. And I've started to pack. I haven't put anything in my backpack yet, but I've started to assemble things. Yeah, so I've got the backpack sitting there. I've got stuff up on my bed. I've got my extra bag there. I've got my purse there. I've got things in my purse. Ah, yes. I've got my iPad switched over to the thinner case that will fit in the carrying sling. I've got shoes there that need their laces replaced so that they don't rip. I switched my hiking poles shoes because the one was clicking and has been clicking for a while, and I realize now that it's absolutely got a hole through it. So they've got two brand new shoes. What else? I'm going to do that. I'm not going to take along my TheraBands. I'm only going to take along my exercise list. That should be fine. I've got my phone call in to the ride service for the ride that I need at the end of June when I'm back. Yeah, I'm not leaving till Sunday, so I got tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. We had the most amazing game yesterday. Because I took care of that baby all day long. I got a text close to the end of the day saying, "Hey, want to go to Swiss Chalet today?" Okay, sure. Yeah, I haven't been to Swiss Chalet in decades. So I think they felt guilty for saddling me with the baby for, just a few days before I leave. So we all went to Swiss Chalet yesterday, which means that at 6:00 when the game was Canada versus somebody, we were at Swiss Chalet. So there we were. My son had his phone. hidden because we don't want the baby to see that we are device, addicted. We had the game going on his phone. 7-1. Us. Amazing. Was it Iraq? I think it was Iraq. Anyway, unfortunately, one of our good players, all our players are good, but one of our players got a horrible injury. Snapped his leg bone. Oh, just, yeah. So that was not good. We did win. Yeah, so, and that was that.